Assalamualaikum everyone, and I welcome all of you to the BCP Azadi transmission.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Samir Rahman
My
and,
name is Abdul Muqim.
and I welcome you all to BCP Metropolitan Azadi Day Transmission. Today, I am a student of AS and I study at BCP Metropolitan Campus. Today, we all are gathered here to celebrate Azadi. What is Azadi? The word Azadi means something different to all of us here. But to me, it is knowing that I will wake up every day without any fear and I will go back to bed at night without any danger. And it is me knowing that the blood of my forefathers that was shed 74 years ago runs in all of us.
I'm honored to be hosting this session because with me is someone who has been a vessel for knowledge and wisdom for a very long time. So I thank you for blessing us with your presence today. Thank you
Welcome,
so much, ma'am.
welcome.
My first question for you is let's have a talk about Azadi. What does Azadi mean to you? Because for me, Azadi is being able to go to a mosque and being able to being able to pray with freedom, being able to pray with peace without others interfering in my business.
Very well said, Mukeet. Azadi it's a precious gift. It's a very beautiful and precious gift. And Azadi is where people can live freely and they can live in a free, sovereign and independent state. They have freedom of speech, freedom of expression, freedom to practice their religion, and they can live their lives without any persecution and oppression. And we all need to cherish Azadi, and we need to be grateful to Allah that we are residing in Pakistan, which is, Alhamdulillah, a free, sovereign and independent state. For me, the historical significance is that it marks the end of British Raj, the British rule in 1947, and the establishment of a independent state, independent free state for Muslims of India. And it is also the anniversary of partition of subcontinent, where subcontinent was partitioned into two countries, India and Pakistan, and we got this independence at midnight between 14 and 15, and this is all this is all about it. And we need to realize that it is a very valuable thing. Azadi is very valuable, and see those people who are still fighting for freedom, or Kashmiri brothers and sisters who are still under occupied in Kashmir, and they are facing the atrocities and oppression and persecution. So we all need to be very, very grateful that we are free citizens of this wonderful country, and we must do our bit to make this country prosperous and progressive. Okay, I see Pakistan's future very bright and very prosperous, and I have full faith in my students and in the youth. They need to take some positive steps. They need to invest in education, especially girls should be educated, women should be empowered, there should be a corruption-free government. Everyone, every adult needs to exercise their vote to choose the right person. We should be loyal to our country, patriotic. We should use and promote made in Pakistan products. We should be proud of our heritage, of our culture, and we should be loyal to our country. And we should have, if you practice all this, then definitely there is bright hope for Pakistan. So,
Very eloquent. I completely agree with what you said. And that's all for now. Thank you, everyone, for listening.